To replace the multi-purpose tray feed rollers, power the machine off by holding down the shutdown restart button until turn off power appears on the display screen. Then, press the power switch located on the left side to the off position. Locate the elevator feeder's locking nut and unscrew the locking nut by turning it counterclockwise. Gently pull the elevator feeder about 12 inches away from the machine. Remove the red media block and lift the multi-purpose tray wing to the up position. Then, press the media guide attachment to the left and gently remove. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the plastic connector out to remove the first grooved roller. To remove the lower two rollers, compress the release tab on each roller and slide each off of their corresponding shafts. To insert the lower two rollers, compress the release tab on each roller and slide each onto their corresponding shafts. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the plastic connector out and insert the first grooved roller into place. After replacing all three rollers, lower the multi-purpose tray wing, reinsert the red media block, and push the elevator feeder back into place. Tighten the locking nut and power the machine back on.